Hey guys, I'm back with a beginner friendly tutorial. This one's super easy, I promise. You can wear it with short hair or long hair. So you're going to take the stretch wrap and fold it a fourth in. You're going to take it and wrap it around the back of your head. Both sides are split evenly, or you can have one side longer than the other. It's totally up to the size of your head. You'll see at the end of this style. Then you're going to take it and tie it down the center. Now, this is where tension comes in. You don't want it too loose to where it falls off your head, and you don't want it tight to where it gives you a headache. So please be careful. You're going to take the ends and twist them. Super easy. Twist, twist, twist. Once you get to the end, you're going to take the shorter piece and try to tuck it within the longer end of the stretch wrap. From there, you're going to wrap it around your head. And then for the last tuck, you're going to tuck it in between the knot that you made in the beginning, making sure you're not showing any rough ends. And that's it. You are done. Hope this tutorial was easy enough for you to follow along with. And stretch wraps are the business. You should invest in some. Peace.